Without much further ado, I present to you the unboxing of the brand new Honor 50. Take a look at this box. This is gorgeous. Look at the reflective text shining away along with that big 5G logo right in front of your eyes. Before we open it up, I just want to highlight this image right here. Earlier this year, Honor talked about using more environmentally friendly processes in the manufacture and production of its products. And it's wonderful to see the Soy Inc. logo on the box, proving that commitment has taken place. So let's get down to opening this up, and ooh, it's a pretty phone. Instantly, it has the look and feel of a premium device. If I just peel off all of this extraneous material, and we can take a good look at the shiny front screen and the back. In fact, it's almost impossible to not get reflections from everything else in the room on this, so I'm just going to give up trying. Instantly, it feels like a very comfortable phone to hold. It's only 7.78mm wide, and with the curved screen on the left and the right, it effortlessly sinks into your palm very easily. On the bottom, you can see the USB-C port and also the SIM tray. We'll look at that a bit later. What else is in this box? Longtime Honor fans will know that a lot of the Honor devices in previous years have shipped with a protective case in the box. It's great to see it here. Now, it's worth pointing out that the Honor 50 has a 66-watt supercharge mode, but you do need to use the charger that comes in the box itself to take advantage of that. That gives you 70% charge in 20 minutes. And it would also seem that you do get a set of headphones with a USB-C connector, which is a lovely bonus. Let's take a quick look at the cameras on the back. Now, the main standout on this is the 108 megapixel rear camera. And this is backed up by the 8 megapixel wide, a 2 megapixel bokeh camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. On the front, we have a 32 megapixel lens. This is also interesting in that it's able to shift to a wider angle when you're taking selfies with more people in the frame. I'm just going to poke the SIM tray and take a look at this because, yep, it's double-sided. That's interesting. You can put two 5G cards into the Honor 50 and run them at the same time. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some playing to do.